All right, back again Saturday with Allen Edmonds Warwick single monk strap. Allen Edmonds Warwick single monk strap. Just a little something special today with these Allen Edmonds single monk strap Warwick. Just tell you a little bit here. So we're gonna start out with, of course, my stick for today is a Oliva. All right, you can see I smoked it down because I've been out here doing a little something. Again, you know, Oliva's one of my favorite brands. This is a mild stick, very tasty. This is a big ring gauge too, but it's a very tasty stick. I do enjoy this stick. It's a good stick if you just sit down, you're like, look, I'm not trying to, get knocked on my butt with a super powerful stick. But I want something with some flavors. This is it. Doesn't have a lot of transition. It's a very inexpensive stick as well, but it's nice and smooth and it'll ride that spot. Tastes great with coffee, root beer, or with a cookie or brownie. Really good. But today I got this Oliva with little Irish whiskey here, the rocks. Here you go. So put some smoke in the air, you guys out here. There we go. Put in the comments, man, your favorite stick. Not for me to push this band back. Okay. Bring down. All right. Now let's get into what we got today. This is something a little different today. So one of my viewers mentioned that she watches the channel for her sons, kind of show them how to do shoe care. Now I'm not one of these master shoe care people. I just do what my father taught me many moons ago and things I've learned along the way. Now there's also other levels you can take it. For my needs, I don't. If you want me to show the other levels as far as using something that really hit the soul here, I can do that as well. But today is special. These Allen Edmonds Warwick single monk strap. As you can see, it's not crazy with the light. One's darker than the other. Why? I did some stuff to this shoe. All right, to make it a little darker, and I'm gonna tell you why. I got these shoes. I found them at a Goodwill store for $14.99. Originally, I was like, "Is that $149?" No, it's $14.99. Allen Edmonds. So I got them, and it happened to be my size 13. Couldn't believe it. So I rushed to the counter. Got them, brought them back. I kind of can understand why these were in there. For me, this color, brown, is like the worst color. It doesn't go with much other than like a light color. I like my shoes a little darker. So what I did was, I just darkened it a hair, just about a shade and a half maybe. I could even go darker than that. But I use what I have. You can dye them, you can do all those things. I'm not doing all that. So I use what I have. I didn't want them brown or, my favorite color, Bordeaux, burgundy. I just wanted them darker than this color. So I'm gonna show you that. Now a lot of people always ask me, how come you don't put polish or something like that on it? I always use a neutral, this Severe Renovator, or I'll use my Venetian leather balm, which I absolutely love as well. But for today's purposes, we want to stick with Severe. Now, how did I make this darker? So this is what I did. This shoe, it came like this. I haven't touched this one at all. So I conditioned it, let it soak in the leather. Remember, conditioner, you hear me say it again, is like cocoa butter for black folks. It's on our skin. It's what we use to nourish our skin. Well, I put that in it. Then I let that dry, buffed him down. Then I came back with another cream, okay? This here, but this is a cognac color, okay? It's 78 cognac. I could have went darker, but this is all I had. All right, I wasn't gonna spend, $12 or whatever to get just another to make this hair darker. I believe if I keep applying this over time, it'll darken up the way I kind of want it. But I'm okay with this. I put a little slight mirror shine on the toe and a slight shine on the heel. All right. On this one. However, on this one, I didn't start here, so I just want to see the difference. I just put cream, then I mirror shine the toe. So on this one, I'm going to put some deep nourishment, and then I'm gonna come behind this, and then I'll mirror shine the toe. I'll probably speed things up so you won't be so long and drawn out. But I'll just talk about Allen Edmonds for a quick second. You guys know Allen Edmonds is an American brand. It's been around forever. It's been sold several times. So this is a Goodyear welt. You can look at it here and tell like it hasn't really been worn. So I just believe somebody got it. Oh, wait a minute. That's a mark there. Just noticed that. So I think this shoe has been, that's a mark. This shoe has been cared for, restructured. It's been re-welted and all that. That's what that mark is. That's why it looks so new. Got it. And I should have picked up on it because of the heel. This heel pad. Usually when Allen Edmonds do it, this is their heel pad. So, I believe everything's gonna hold up on this shoe good. I got some shoe trees in them. I just noticed that. I went through all that doing this and didn't notice it. Anyway, I was just happy it was $14.99. So, it's obviously been Goodyear welted again. So, whenever you see this mark on Allen Edmonds shoes, this means it's been re-welted, resold right there. So let's move this shoe out the way. We're gonna start now. I've already took a brush and got everything off of it. I didn't put any saddle soap on it because the leather seemed pretty clean. You do have some frays here. This is what I do with those. Again, I don't recommend this, but $14 shoe, my money, this is what I'll do. See that right there? I come in here and hit him. Now, burnt the leather a little bit, I don't care. I'm gonna tell you why. I like it. Gives it a little something, as we like to say. Yeah, burnt my hand off. I don't recommend doing this. But if you got a cigar torch, it makes it easy. Just hit the fray. Actually, I went to the shoe company and they were showing me how they made the shoes, and I would see them do it before they send it out. I was like, okay. Then some girl told me, she was like, yeah, we do our braids like that. That's good. Get in there like that. See that? How that left that? Watch out. I'm gonna like that. Me being who I am, I'm gonna like that. There's something right there, looks like. That looks pretty good. Alright. Got a little more there. There you go. We smoking. Looks good. All right, so what I'm gonna do, come here, give me a little shakey, shake. Shakety, shake. Get him. Take him off. Now again, I've had this right here probably 2-3 years. It lasts a long time. And all I'm gonna use is what's on this top here. While you see me turn him over, I'm gonna take him. I'm gonna put him on. I like to take my time here. I like to use my hands. A lot of people say, "Why are you always using your hands?" Because I like to. God gave me hands, so I'm gonna use what He gave me. I get down in there, get him real good. I like to get him in there good. Again, I'm gonna say this every time, so if y'all get tired of it, I don't care. Black folks, cocoa butter is what was put on us as a kid. All our lives, cocoa butter. Cocoa, natural oils, put back in your skin, rejuvenates your skin, keeps it moist. Get out the shower, cocoa butter. You got a scratch on your hand, cocoa butter. You keep cocoa butter in enough, it will eventually go away. You won't see the scar. I got some spray here. It's hitting. Wow. One more. Wow. Looking pretty good. I didn't even burn my hand. Get some of that on there. Get some of that on there. I don't use a lot of this because I don't like it to cake up on there. Okay? That's why you see me really spread it around. If you look at it, you can tell it is sinking in good. But Allen Edmonds, man, it's Goodyear welded. It's Allen Edmonds. It's calf leather, full grain. You know, supposed to be top of the line. So you get good leather, it lasts. As you can see, this has been resold, and the upper is still nice. As you can see, as I'm putting it on, it's rejuvenating. I like to say, making it look nice. You people, if you understand what ashy is what we call, you scratch your skin and it turns flaky and gray. In our community, we say, man, you ashy. We don't want our leather, but your skin, to get dried out, flaked, and ashy looking. Now that's the part I burnt right there. I like that. It's almost like a burnish. Again, I'm not telling you to go out here, burn your shoes up. These were $14 at my local Goodwill store. Yes, I have buddies that also look out for me. I say, hey man, if y'all see some, I give them name brands of shoes. If I see them in there because they like to thrift, I don't have time, but they'll hit me up. Hey, I saw some. They either get them or I'll go right up there and get them. They send me a picture. That's the beauty part about today's technology. I gotta get this here. Rub it in there good. Then I'm gonna let him dry. Usually I like to let him go overnight. See, I put too much there. Usually I like to let him go overnight. I'm not gonna let him go overnight. I'm just gonna let him go about 5 minutes. And with the magic of editing, we'll be back, buffing him down and all that good stuff. Gotta get all the leather. Gotta get that part too. Can't let that part go. That's part of the leather. Condition all of that. Want it nice and supple. Something right there. Must be a seam. my dad said, get that tongue, boy. Get that tongue, boy. I miss my dad. Good dude. It's sad because, at times you like, man, I don't want to do this. And your parents is gone. And you're like, man, I miss them. All right, that's that. So it darkened to the hair, but when it dry, it'll be light. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna let this sit. I'm gonna let it dry, soak in. All right, there you go. Just spear it in. Then I'm gonna take this brush and buff him lightly, and then put this on. All right. So with the magic of editing, that's what we're getting ready to do.